Council garbage collection is about to get a lot more expensive when the carbon tax is introduced in 2012 with a tax on our tips.
City of Sydney Council sends nearly 40,000 tonnes of waste to landfill each year. That's half a tonne per household. Landfill owners are expecting to charge between $35 and $55 a tonne extra to account for legacy emissions in the carbon tax.
The industry says they'll charge around $200 million a year to councils nationwide. President of the Waste Management Association of Australia, Dr. Ron Wainberg, says the cost rise is mainly because of legacy emissions.
With a landfill, when you deposit the stuff in the ground, it can take 100 years plus for the waste to degrade, so you're giving off emissions, greenhouse emissions over that entire period of time. They'll just charge at the current rate of the tax for that and go and buy the permits and put them in the bank.
Dr. Wainberg said the industry is working closely with the government to try and fix the problems with legacy emissions, but the scientific models are not yet accurate enough.
They're, if you like, based on standard waste, and I don't know anybody that puts standard waste into a hole in the ground. Waste is waste and it changes all the time.
Finance academic Deb Cotton says the costs will rise, but that will be a good thing for the environment.
So if they're not reducing their emissions, reducing the amount of waste that they put into landfill, then those legacy emissions are going to keep rising, and so it's going to be costing them more. A lot of the time we find from any of these sort of taxes or charges that come, a lot of innovation occurs.
A tax on carbon or an emissions trading scheme or something is a tool that would be the right thing to do.
Hopefully consumers agree that the way to save money is to close that rubbish lid. This is Claire Bloomer reporting on the carbon tax.